Here's how to use 7-Eleven's coffee machine. First thing you want to do is you touch the screen to begin. Once you've touched the screen, you simply want to either fill your cup with 3/4 of ice if you want an iced latte, or if you want a hot one, you just want to click on the screen like so. Once you've done that, you simply pick your size. I want a small, so I'm going to click on that. And you can choose your flavoring on screen. There's 3 flavors, or you can just get hot water right here if you want some tea over there. Once you've actually selected your flavor, you simply click on it, and you can click on leave room for cream. You want to place your cup right here, and I want to leave room for cream, so I'm going to click yes. And as you can see, your drink will dispense once you click on the check. And you can see right here, keep your cup in the center. It'll actually just dispense your coffee at 7-Eleven like so. And as you can see, when it is actually done, you can click on the X if you want to end it early. And when it's done, it'll just stop and this thing will raise. And you've got your coffee from 7-Eleven, and you can add creamers right here.